The new year is off to a bizarre beginning in Arkansas. 100,000 drumfish washed up along the Arkansas River. Scientists say disease is likely to blame. On their own, dead fish might not raise too many eyebrows, but a little more than 100 miles away in Beebe, there's another animal mystery. Just before the stroke of midnight on New Year's Eve, thousands of birds started falling from the sky.
I thought it was out of an Alfred Hitchcock movie.
I thought the mayor was messing with me when he called me. He got me up at 4 o'clock in the morning and told me he had birds falling out of the sky.
Residents rang in 2011 to scenes like this. On roads, on roofs, on lawns, up to 5,000 blackbirds fell within a 1-mile area. Most were dead.
Everybody's kind of amazed at this happening.
The Arkansas Game and Fish Commission says this phenomenon is not as unusual as it might seem. The likely culprit is a lightning strike or high-altitude hail, possibly even fireworks. Investigators say there is no connection between the dead fish and the dead birds. No matter what the explanation for these odd events, some in Arkansas say 2011 is off to an ominous start.
Last year we started it with floods, and this year birds.
I ain't gonna take no chances.